कर्फ्यू आपको मालूम नहीं है? चलिए उठिए, उठो बाहर निकलो अभी, तुम अरेस्ट होकर जेल में जाओगे। चलो बाहर निकलो। क्या तमाशा चल रहा है? बाहर निकलिए। आउट इमीडिएटली। मास्क आप लो। मास्क आप लो। मारो इनको, मारो, लाठी मारो, मारो सबको, मारो इनको, फिर मारो इसको, Here there are thousands of people here, yeah. No police is here. And they are conducting bloody marriage, yeah. चलिए बाहर निकलिए, out, head, चलो बाहर निकलो। Manikya Court and this Gulab Bagan are banned. They will not be allowed to function for next 1 year as marriage halls. All these people who are assembled here, they have violated the order under section 144 Criminal Procedure Code, and they will be prosecuted under 188 of Indian Penal Code. They will all be arrested right now.